Hello, grade 1 students. How are you? I hope you're safe. Well, guys, today we have a new spelling lesson. But before we start with the new one, let's revise the old one. Do you still remember, guys, when we talked about the short vowel a? Okay, let's revise some words with short a sound. As I told you, you have to spell the word before you read it. K, a, p, cap. M, a, n, man. P, a, n, pan. S, a, d, sad. D, a, d, dad. And the last word is b, a, g, bag. All these words have short a in the middle. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? What's this? Excellent. It is a dog. Let's spell the word dog. Maybe it is d, a, g, dog. So, d, a, g, dog. Did I say dag? Do I have to write here a? Of course not. I said dog. So, let's spell the word dog. D, a, g, dog. What do we have here in the middle? Excellent. We have o, short o. D, a, g, dog. Let's move on to the next picture. What's this? Great job! It is a frog. Let's spell the word frog. Maybe it is fre, o, g, frog. Yeah, fre, o, g, frog. Fre, o, g, frog. The next one. What's this? Excellent! It is a box. Box. Let's spell the word box. B, o, x. Box. Again. B, o, x. Box. Did I say bags or beaks? No, I said box, so I have to write o. B, o, x. Box. Look at this girl. She's feeling hot. He, a, t, hot. Again, spell it with me. He, a, t, hot. Who's she? She's holding a baby. So, she's the mom. Let's spell the word mom. Me, a, me, mom. Me, a, me, mom. So, our lesson is about the short vowel o. Short vowel o. Say o. O. Clever students. Okay, try to spell this word. Just blend the sounds together. Excellent. D, a, l. Doll. D, a, l. Doll. This is the doll. D, a, l. Doll. Let's move on. S, a, x. Socks. S, a, x. Socks. The C and the K here together give me the K sound. S, a, x. Socks. 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 Doll. Doll. And the last one is excellent. P, pot, pot, pot. This is the pot. So, doll, doll, socks, socks, pot, pot. Let's move on. Try to spell this word. Great job. Ox, fox. Ox, fox. This is the fox. Fox, fox. Let's spell this one. I told you the C and the K together give me the K sound. So, re, o, k, rock. Again, re, o, k, rock. Say rock, rock. Re, o, k, rock. All the words have short o in the middle. Short o. Let's spell this one. And it is the last one. Excellent. Me, o, p, mop. Me, o, p, mop. This is the mop. Say mop. So, fox, fox, rock, rock, mop, mop. We have short o, o, o. Okay, guys, try to spell these words. Try to read them and write them on a draft paper just for practicing. Thank you.